Hey everyone, how are you doing? This is Keiron Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Today I am reviewing Viral Traffic Ninja. This is going live August 10th, 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. That is New York time. It is being launched by Imbraham Tijani, and this is a way to get automatic traffic. If you have a WordPress website, you have automatic traffic. You can use it to get unlimited visitors to your blog for free with no effort on your part, starting from today with the Traffic Viral Ninja software. Plus, I've got a lot of bonuses that if you have a WordPress website, you're going to love these bonuses because you can just install them and help your traffic and other things grow as well. So you're going to want to stick around for that. I've got some videos on how to install it, and let's learn a little bit more about what viral traffic is, you guys. So let's go here. This is my bonus page, Keiron's amazing bonus bundle. This will go on until Saturday, 11:59 p.m. So you've still got over, look at that, 4:20. Hey, what do? 4 hours and 20 minutes, 20 minutes and almost 20 seconds right now, 20 to get my bonuses, guys. So let's learn a little bit about what Viral Traffic Ninja is. So it says, finally discover a simple traffic system you can use to get unlimited visitors to your blog for free with no effort on your part. Start from today. Okay, guys. So what is Viral Traffic Ninja all about? It is simple to install and use. I will show you how you can install it. Fully automated WordPress plugin, just a few minutes of it to set up and then you're done. Uses cookies and IP addresses to prevent cheating, guys. So what you'll see in a second. Start generating viral traffic with no effort on your part. Create unlimited prizes to get massive amounts of free traffic. Customize how many referrals are needed to unlock each prize. Enjoy a hands-off approach to instant and passive traffic forever. Automatically build a massive list by legally bribing your visitors and more, guys. So what you're trying to do here is get traffic. You could have the most amazing offer in the world, but if people don't know about it, if you don't have any traffic, then you may as well have nothing, right? So this is a pretty cool hack that you can use to get traffic to your product, your promotion, your software, whatever it is that you want to be advertising. Okay, and like it says, it uses cookies, so you can't just get your traffic. One person cannot click on it 5 times or 10 times or whatever you set it at to unlock your gifts. So this basically, you can have gifts and you can set it for how many visitors that you or your customers provide, and then it can unlock a gift for that customer. So if you set it for 5, the first gift for 5, and then if 5 different of their customers click on it, it opens up that gift for that particular customer, okay? But you can set it for whatever number you want depending on how valuable and how many prizes you have, okay? But you can't cheat. You can't have one person clicking on it 5 times. You need 5 different IP addresses, which is very smart. Okay, you guys, so not much to the prices here. We're going to get into that in a second. I'm going to play this video for you here on viral traffic, how to install the video, okay?
Welcome to Viral Traffic Ninja. In this video, I'll show you how to install Viral Traffic Ninja. Simply mouse over Plugins, then select Add New. Next, you want to click on Upload. Now you're going to browse for the file. Select VTN and click Open. Next, Install Now. And lastly, you want to activate the plugin. Viral Traffic Ninja has now been installed. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up Viral Traffic Ninja and exactly how to use it.
Okay guys, so very straightforward, and I've also got some other videos that will show you better in detail about how you can use this system to get more traffic, okay? So guys, what I want to do now is take you to my bonuses. So my first bonus is the Viral Article Maker for WhatsApp. So this is how to make profit pulling viral article mini sites, okay? So you can get a lot of people looking at what you are writing, and this does it virtually on autopilot for you. So if you've already got WordPress, this is a perfect bonus that you can want that will be able to create extra traffic for you. Okay, so this is a viral article maker for WordPress. Now my next bonus is the ebook generator for WordPress. So again, another WordPress plugin, really easy to go, virtually on autopilot, guys. So you can create ebooks really quickly in a matter of minutes. You can give them as gifts, as bonuses. You can sell them. You can upload them onto different sites and make money. So it's up to you guys. Basically, you can do whatever you want with them, and it only takes minutes to produce. So this is another excellent bonus if you've got a WordPress site. Okay guys, another one is the spider site searcher and software for WordPress. So you can just type in a few clicks and it will spider into other sites and will find all the keywords that you're searching for. So if you type in whatever niche, health or whatever, you can click in that. You can find all kinds of useful information. You can gather that. You can make an ebook. You can write articles, whatever you want. But this is going to be able to find all of that important keyword information for you in just a few seconds, okay? Also guys, this particular bonus turns WordPress sites into a personal mobile app. Doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or if you have an Android, it works for either one. So you can turn your WordPress site into your phone. You can adjust as you go, as if you're on the fly. So this, I think, is also going to help you a lot, guys. And there is also some vendor bonuses that I can show you later on. And my final and extra bonus, guys, is to hijack huge traffic from Instagram. So Instagram is one of the biggest social media sites, millions of people, right? So you can get viewers if you just follow this step-by-step tutorial. You're going to learn how to make landing pages. So if you've got a WordPress site, you can make landing pages with your WordPress site. Then you can go onto Fiverr. It's going to show you how to find influencers at a reasonable price. You can just spend a little bit of money and they can promote for you, get lots of traffic coming your way. So guys, these are my bonuses. Like I said, you've got 420 left, 4 days and 20 hours. Okay, so let me just take you to the sales page. Now there isn't a whole lot to the sales page, to be honest. This video we just watched, so the front end is $13, guys. So it's just talking about how hard it is to be able to get traffic. So this is a way to solve that traffic problem. And this is bonus 1, guys. So this is a software developed mastery, one of their bonuses. And the second bonus is the easy survey generator. So you can make money also clicking on, if you get people to click on surveys as well. All right. And guys, so let me just take you back up here. All right, so the prices and upsells. The front end, the Viral Traffic Ninja, is just $13. Access the powerful Viral Traffic Ninja software and start getting huge traffic on autopilot. The upsell is a Viral Traffic Ninja license rights at $97 with a downsell of $67. So you can sell this as your own product and then you can receive 100% commissions on the whole funnel. Okay, so let me take you to the upsell, the license page. Okay, so this is 97, guys, and this is again the bonuses here. Okay, and then finally the downsell at 67. All right, so if you want to buy it, you're just going to click on these and then it's going to take you to a place on JVZoo, and then see that little blue button there. You click on that and then you will be able to access all of my bonuses as well. All right, very easy to do. Okay guys, this is another video. This is going to show you how you can use Viral Traffic Ninja. Okay, there's also a couple other videos that I can include in the bonus page for you as well, and you can watch them on your own time.
Welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how to use Viral Traffic Ninja. The first thing you need to do is create a new page. Just go to Pages and select Add New. Then you need to enter a title for your page. I'm going to call it free gift. Then click publish. Now let's go to Viral Traffic Ninja, Viral Traffic Ninja. And we need to select the landing page. We also need to copy this text to the clipboard. And another option is to show social sharing buttons on the landing page. I'm going to leave that checked and click Save Changes. Now let's go back to Pages. And we're going to edit this page. Let's paste in the Viral Traffic Ninja code here and click Update. Now let's head over to the site and check it out. Going to refresh. And you can see free gift is now showing up in the menu bar. Let's click that. And here's the Viral Traffic Ninja code. Now we need to add some more text and information above this to make it compelling. It's good to create a catchy headline, and also I suggest using opt-in codes so you can capture email addresses and build a list. I have an example.
Okay, you guys, so you kind of get an idea of what's going on. Let me show you another part of the video, a different video that's going to show you the cool way that
gifts to the landing page. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Just scroll down to Viral Traffic Ninja and select Gifts Management. As you can see, we can add a new gift on this page, and I have some information already in a text file. This is going to be my gift number 1. Going to paste the name here. Next, you need to decide how many hits to unlock the gift. I'm going to use 5. And then you have two options, file or URL. You need to choose one or the other. You can either upload a file, or if the file's too big, you can simply paste the URL here, or you could link to any web page or video or anything else that you like. In this example, I'm just going to use google.com, and the final option is gift image. You can use our default image, or you can upload your own if you like. Lastly, just click on create, and you can see here's the new gift. It is free bonus number 1, article site builder. We're linking to a URL. It takes 5 hits to unlock it. This is the image that's going to show up on the site. And additional actions are you can edit the gift and go back and make changes, or you can delete the gift. Now I'm going to add 2 more gifts here. Let me just get my second one. And for this one, I'm going to use 10 hits to unlock it. And the URL, again, I'll just make up a URL here. Remember, as I said before, do not upload a file and use a URL. Either do one or the other. If you upload a file and it's too big, then the gift won't show up here at the top. In that case, you just need to use your FTP software to upload your file, and then you could put a direct URL link to it here. And I'm going to leave the gift image to the default and click create. Now I have 2 gifts. I'm going to add one more. Third and final gift for this landing page. This one I'm going to say it takes 15 hits to unlock, and I'm going to use just another fake URL and click create. Now let's go.
Okay guys, so you kind of get the picture here. So you can put in any kind of gift that you want, any kind of bonus, any kind of incentive to try and get people to be clicking onto your landing page. So you can be collecting their emails, and also it's going to incentivize people to help you get more traffic and also help your email list grow, because they want to unlock these bonuses that you provide, these gifts. So you can scale them in order of magnitude. So the first one, for example, is 5, the next one is 10, the next one is 15, right? So you can put anything you want in here. So it can really kind of work on autopilot where you have your list or some of your traffic doing the heavy lifting for you. This is what's so cool about this software, guys. So this kind of brings me to the conclusion of my review on Viral Traffic Ninja, guys. Okay, so like I said, you've still got a lot of time. You've got 4 days and 20 minutes. You're going to get all of that system that you just said, that I just showed you, that's going to show how you can get a lot of traffic, plus my bonuses, guys. So you're going to have the viral article maker for WordPress. You're going to have the ebook generator for WordPress. You can start making money on that right away. The spider site searcher software for WordPress. Turn your WordPress site into a personal mobile app so you can have it on the go with you, make changes as you need. The vendor bonuses that we talked about, plus an extra bonus that I want to give to you, the hijack huge traffic from Instagram. So I just wanted to give you another source, not just related to WordPress, but another traffic source that you can start to build and make money on as well, guys. Okay, and like I said, you just you click on this one if you want to get the front end, or if you want to get the upsell, just click on this and it'll take you to JVZoo. You click on that little blue button down at the bottom there, and it's going to kick you over to all of my bonuses, and this is all going to be in my description. You can check this out again if you need to, guys. So this wraps it up. I want to thank you for your time. I hope this was a benefit to you. I hope you learned about Viral Traffic Ninja, and if it is something that does sound interesting to you, please use my affiliate link. You'll get all my bonuses, okay? And if you have any questions, if you want to know why I make these videos, how I make these videos, or if you want to learn how to make money online, you can hit me up. You can leave a comment in the comment section, or you can find me on Facebook. I'll leave links in my description. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, okay? And guys, I wish you the best of luck on your journey. This is Keiron Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Signing off. Remember to please like and subscribe for more great content, and I'll see you soon. Take care.